What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to give you 18 ways that you can make money while you're waiting. All right, welcome back. So, kind of doing a little series here. The last video I did, I had top 10 ways to do videos and apps to make money, and this one is a little bit more in depth. Here I have 18 ways to make money from home. Some of these are going to be like short little tasks that you can do in your spare time. The whole reason for this video is I have a course coming out here real soon, and I know a lot of you have expressed interest in this course. Just to give you a little update on that, we're really close on completing that course. We're still kind of working on the memberships area. We're actually filming the last few videos of a 7-week series right now. We took a campaign from a negative like 30-40% ROI. We took it to profitable in 2 days, and then we got a little bit of a loss like the third day, and then today we're up like $600, and we're optimizing. I just checked in right now, and we're up on the day so far. So we're taking you guys like through a journey in, we teach everything up until you actually need to run a campaign, and then we're taking you through like an entire campaign and how we are optimizing it, making money. It's definitely going to be the best course on the market. There's nobody out there that's going to do anything like what we're doing. We're giving you all the details, images, copy, showing you exactly what we're doing, how we're doing the websites these days. It's all the stuff that's working right now. Okay, what worked like 6 months ago does not work anymore, guys. So, unfortunately for some of the people out there that are selling courses that were theory, 3, 4, 5 years ago, it's unfortunate that maybe some of you guys invested in some of those courses and you haven't had success, and there's probably kind of a reason why. A lot of those guys are selling courses, and that's how they make their money nowadays, and they're not really actually running traffic. Yeah, I'm going to be selling courses. I have a blog. I have a YouTube channel. I do run some traffic, just not a ton because I'm busy with other stuff. I got a lot of businesses and investments, but I have 3 full-time media buyers. So I have guys on my team buying media right now, so we know what's working right now. So, I go over the shoulder with my media buyer, and I talk to him like I'm asking questions like you would be asking questions on why you're doing this, why you're doing that. And it's going to be a fantastic training. On this channel, we teach you guys how to make money online. And one of the ways to do that is, through scaling, through affiliate marketing with paid traffic. So obviously, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and bang the notifications bell. But this particular training today is just going to be a bunch of different options for you guys to go out and start making some money, because I know what's going to happen when we put the course out. It's not going to be cheap. Unfortunately, the knowledge that we're giving away in this course is not cheap. Okay, in fact, some of the knowledge that I paid for in this course, I paid 10 grand for just myself. Okay, I literally paid 10 grand to get this information, and we took it and ran with it, and we turned it into a heck of a lot more money than 10 grand. But obviously, I can't give away that information for free or at a very low cost. So it's we make you sign an NDA. It's good stuff. Like, we don't want this stuff getting out there to the public. If you buy this course, we want you to be able to use this knowledge, and don't go out there and share it. That's the whole idea. So in the meantime, while we're getting the course ready, instead of playing video games while you're waiting in line at the grocery store, while you're sitting on the couch, normally maybe watching on Netflix, I have 18 ways here that you can actually go out and start earning money like today. Like right now, you can sign up for these. You can start doing little tasks, and you can start accumulating some wealth. I wouldn't say wealth, but some cash, more like it. And then when that course comes out, we're going to make it. We'll probably have like a launch type price, and then it might go up a little bit. But if you don't have enough money on the launch, well, then maybe you can get it like a little bit down the road. The knowledge is going to stay the same. If there's things that change, we're going to go ahead and do lifetime updates in that course as we go. As things change, we can add stuff to it and whatnot. But just keep in mind that you can do these tasks, and you can start doing this on the weekends in your spare time at night, and you can start making some extra cash. And over time, a couple weeks, 3-4 weeks of doing this like full time, when you're not actually at your other job that's paying your bills, you should be able to start making some money. So let's go ahead and get started here. Let's talk about CashCrate. Basically, this is an online platform where you can start making money from home by completing offers, taking surveys, watching videos, anything like that. This is what it looks like here. Different things: shopping, referrals, interact. All these sites are going to be fairly similar. Okay, so the next one is Swagbucks. It's a micro task platform where you can earn Swagbucks. Basically, it's kind of the theme. And you can redeem for gift cards and coupons. You can go ahead and sell gift cards and coupons online. There's usually a market for those. If you don't want to go ahead and use those, or you can sell them to your friends or whatever. but there's opportunity to definitely make some money on there. So let's take a look at what that looks like. This is Swagbucks, and you can basically get a $10 bonus. It looks like joining. Must have to do something for that, I'm assuming, or everybody would be signing up for that. But that's Swagbucks. Fiverr is a site that I use on a fairly regular basis. I get like my proofreading done a lot of times from somebody on Fiverr, and it's an okay site. I used to like it more, but it seems like everything now is like not $5. Back in the day, it was like $5 to get anything done. Now it's like, well, I want to get something proofread. Oh, it's going to be like $75. So it's not quite as cool as it used to be in terms of like $5 gigs, as far as I can tell. But I mean, you can be a freelancer around here and do things, and if you have a little bit of skills and whatnot, you might be able to pull some nice money from Fiverr. I do use Fiverr. I would recommend it. I do have an affiliate link that I will include below for Fiverr if you want to sign up for Fiverr, or if you go ahead and get gigs done on Fiverr. I think I make a small affiliate commission on that. All right, let's move on. InboxDollars. Here you can make money by taking surveys, reading emails, playing games. Some of you guys like to play games. There you go. You can play some games. You can redeem some coupons. You can do some shopping online. You can just get $5 for just signing up. So, I mean, here you go. That's a nice little gig for you here. Let's take a look at that site here. This is InboxDollars. Get a $5 bonus. So, watch TV, man. Some of you guys like to watch TV. You like watching YouTube videos. So, there you go. There's an opportunity to make some extra money. So, Figure 8. Here's another one. A virtual workspace where you can make money from home by completing simple tasks. Similar type of thing. Data collection, internet research. Let's take a look at that site here. And this is Figure 8. Make money in the real world. Basically, instead of a machine learning, it's, use humans and whatnot. So another one here to check out. Another one here is FusionCash. It's a micro task platform. Take surveys, watch videos, shopping, short tasks. You immediately earn the $5. It looks like that's a popular trend here among these sites is the bonus of either $5 or $10. See here, we get a nice $5 sign-up bonus on FusionCash. All right, on to the next. Number 7, ClickWorker, a microtask platform where you can make money from home, writing, translating, researching. Now, if some of you guys know another language, I don't know how many people out there know another language. There's definitely going to be sites out there that can pay you to do like translation from one language to the next. So keep that in mind. That's probably going to be like higher type paying gigs because that's kind of like a specialty. But this is a PayPal. It looks like they pay you out in PayPal. Let's take a look at that one here. This is ClickWorker. I got this one pulled up as well. And Crowd Intelligence. You got to look around to see generally where you're going to. It looks like there's a login here, but you got to probably sign up somewhere as a tester or whatever you want to call it. But this is just another one to check out if you want to check it out. All right, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Oops, to this Amazon Mechanical Turk. I think I brought this one up on the channel before, and this is like kind of like one of those task type sites for Amazon, and basically you have to. There we go. I lost you there. Yeah, and you got to go in and do like it's kind of like data type stuff and a lot of like surveys and just a lot of little like tasks. I don't think this one pays all that well, but I do believe this is popular over like seas in India and whatnot. I think people use this quite a bit over there. But just another thing to check out if you're interested in doing some small tasks on the side, making some extra cash. All right, Rev. I've used Rev before. Rev is a translation site, and basically what they do is they translate, like different languages, and sometimes they transcribe stuff. I think so. Yeah, like it's for like the captions and stuff in like videos. So and translators, but I've used them before, and I use another company called Trit right now, and it kind of does it like automatically. But I know Rev is pretty good. I've used them before, and there's an opportunity to work from home, make some money, choose your own schedule. So definitely check out Rev if you can have pretty good English skills, or if you, especially if you have another language as a secondary language or something, that could be a real nice opportunity for you here. All right, let's go on to number 10, GigWalk. I've actually done a video on GigWalk a while ago. And it was kind of funny. I looked up GigWalk in Las Vegas just to see if there was any gigs, and there were not any gigs in the area, but definitely had a Definitely thought it was kind of a cool site. I think it's going to be a better site in like larger cities. Basically, it's an app, and you can go and do certain things. You got to go to different stores or restaurants and see if a certain thing is there, like on the shelf or like a menu. It's all kinds of different weird stuff like that. But basically, it's kind of done through an app, and you can make money by doing the tasks. Okay, so that's GigWalk. Let's go on to where was that here? Oh yeah, EasyShift. EasyShift is a micro task application where you can make money from home by completing shifts on your iPhone. Shifts include checking prices. So it looks like they got you doing like different stuff on your phone, checking prices and whatnot, probably related to like different retail stores and whatnot. But you can make some money doing that. Let's take a look at what EasyShift looks like here. EasyShift is, yeah, it looks like it's an app. Just download the app. So go to the iOS or the Android store if you have one of those and set it up. Looks like you get fast payments, 48 hours. Worth checking out, definitely. Field Agent, it allows you to make money. Oops, what happened here? Field Agent, gosh dang it. Field Agent allows you to make money from home by completing various short tasks, from checking shelfability, similar type of thing here. Anywhere from $3 to $12 per job, paid via PayPal. Let's have a quick look at that one. God, this thing is really getting annoying here. It keeps bouncing back and forth between the two browsers. All right, Field Agent. Here you go. Looks like you can basically do some mystery shopping, audits, that kind of stuff, and you can do a application here. Okay, pretty simple. All right, let's go on to number 13, user testing. I brought this one up in my video the other day. This is another good website to test and earn like $10. Become a website tester. Take a sample test. Basically, once you get approved, each test takes about 20 minutes, which isn't too bad. So, 20 minutes of your time to, earn a decent amount of money. That's more than some job space. So you can earn up to like $60 a test. So this is a good one here. So check this out. Get paid to test right there on that button. Okay. Spare 5. Here's another one. Spare 5 is goodness gracious. A micro task platform where you can sign up to complete small tasks in your free time, make money from home fast. Again, all these sites are very similar. One person earned $14.44 in 90 minutes, which isn't great, but it's not terrible. Let's take a look at Spare 5 here real quick. And okay, Spare 5. We have here, earn money in your spare time, free web and mobile apps. So pretty cool looking site here. Definitely check that one out as well. All right, Humanatic is if you have short periods of quiet time. This is kind of what I was saying. Like when you're sitting at the grocery store in line, or you're doing stuff where like you're basically just kind of like killing time, whatever. This is a nice site here. You can get like $1 to $4.50 an hour just for like really like small type stuff. So it's worth looking at this site as well. Let's take a look at Humanatic here. Review calls, get paid, listen to recorded phone calls. So it's just, basically human interaction they're looking for here. So it's pretty cool. All right. And to round it out here, the last 16 is, or the last 3 for the 18 of my make money in your spare time sites is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a pretty cool site. I've never used them, but I've actually looked into using them before. I just haven't actually signed up for it. But you can get stuff done. That's pretty cool. Like if you want to have like a TV installed on your wall, or you got to move something like super heavy, or like say you order like a desk and you want to have somebody come over and just put it together because you don't want to deal with it. I mean, that kind of stuff. I buy stuff sometimes. I don't have time to put it together. So I would definitely pay someone for that. But yeah, cleaning, moving, all that kind of crap. That's TaskRabbit. Another great site to earn some extra cash. Fancy Hands. This is a pretty cool site that I haven't heard of until I did this video preparation here. But this one looks actually pretty cool. U.S.-based virtual assistants, tasked anywhere from $3 to $7. So I would actually like to check out this one myself. This is called Fancy Hands. So I would recommend that you guys all check this out. And if you're U.S. based, you can be like one of the freelancers. So definitely worth checking out Fancy Hands. Okay. And finally, to round it out here, let's talk about OneSpace. This is a freelancer platform. I noticed on this one, they've kind of moved more toward like design, copywriting, quality assurance, and transcription. I think you got to pass some kind of some kind of like application process, and it's not going to be like super, super easy just to join and take surveys and whatnot. But I was noticing here image and graphic designers, English, international language transcriptionists. This could be a good one if you have multilingual. Worth comparing the rates like with Rev and whatnot. But looks like some accounting work here if you have any kind of skills like that. But this could be an opportunity to make some money as a freelancer with OneSpace. So there's a ton of them out there, guys. There's 18 here that I found pretty simply by just doing a little bit of research. There's definitely, I did that video last week on the other 10 ways to do apps and videos, and that video went over really well. I mean, there's literally like almost 28 that I just came up with off, literally in like a couple of hours. So, that's 28, and I'm sure there's probably another 100 more out there as far as like earning money from home with your cell phone, your computer. Nowadays, with an internet connection, you can make money by doing stuff. Now, are you actually making money at a very rapid pace? No, you're trading your time for money, but if you don't have a lot of money, then you have time. Okay, so use your time to make money, and then eventually get yourself into some special education, whether it be e-com, whether it be affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA. Get yourself into something like that where you can actually have more of a scalable business that you can actually build a foundation on. And that's kind of the whole goal with these gigs, is to try to go out there and get some cash flow going in your spare time. You can do things like drive, Lyft, and Uber. There's a new one coming out that I'm looking into for doing a video on. I'll do a little more research before I do a video on it, similar to Uber and Lyft. But if you have any other ideas for my channel and you'd like to bring it up in the comments, I would appreciate a comment below. Other than that, the Marketing Meathead is out. Talk to you later.